What's up, guys? I'm Lau. I wanted to show you how I made my song Paris in the Rain. For any of you guys out there who have seen the movie Midnight in Paris, it was probably like the 5th time of mine watching it. I knew right then I had to grab my guitar. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And you got a little verse vibe, kind of like, all I know is we could go anywhere, we could do anything, girl, whatever the mood we're in. So we're in Logic now, and I think I made, it was like this little twinkly sound. I kind of wanted to like set the stage at the beginning of the song.
Anywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris and rain, Paris and rain. I look at you now and I want this forever. I might not deserve it, but there's nothing better. Don't know how I'll ever do.
And that's how I made Paris in the Rain.